Yeah, man, I don't know the man from countries here, the full boss, gas team, gas pan, I don't know DJ Thomas. Pick up yourself. I don't know so saying but just take the race there easy. If he even win by 1 second, he's a winner. Always deliver when it matters. Just like the man from country, I don't know. Always deliver when it matters. So you may say, I just get rid of some date quick and fast and keep you updated to make you know what going on in the street, what the people them like and what they don't like. Right now, know so this Friday, everybody I talk about that something the colours, Renaissance Bass, so they say, featuring Roxy's sound, Empire sound, DJ Calibut, Vibe Squad all the way from Gloucester. We got all the acts out, because them a roll out for that one. Wolverhampton, I look forward, Northampton, Nottingham. I want to say turn up loud. Big up my people them from Leeds, I touch the road same way. I do apologise to the people them not get them £10 tickets, but you don't know. You can get your £15 tickets same way up until Thursday, because on Friday I might be too busy, or you can get it at the usual outlets. So just remember that date, the 28th of August here. 5th of September, I don't know, so I call about birthday party, so we have to shoot up that one because gas team will go hard. The 12th, we don't know, so it's all about Oxford, Luton. You don't know, we just have to turn up the road same way. So big up yourself in January. Your party shoot, it's gone through the sky same way, alright? The 19th, you don't know, so Warwick all the way over Redditch same way. So you don't know, so it's all big up on yourself in the car when the party shoot. Wine for the general and the one there, so the one the name. Alright? Also the 14th of November, you don't know, say Munchie your party gone, same way, don't worry about it here. David, you need to link me up and let me know what I'm going for the 7th of November, you know, because Charmin the year just up at Sower Road top. You don't know if your party at the 31st of October and it globally gone. Also, ladies, hear me now, no? You want to win a ticket for the Caribbean? The first girl to buy me a drink around the stand a chance here. When you say a drink, you have to buy the back layer. Less than the back layer, I don't need that. I'm a rummed. Also, that one the same way if you want to win two, if you and your loved one, you just buy a Bel Air same way. And you don't know, say, a big sponsor we get this year, so we are roll with them, alright? And you don't know, say, no, saying about just win the race, so I have a drink of Heineken for me and every Jamaican, and somebody who knows somebody from Jamaica, alright? So the 28th, we are celebrate that race there again. And I know it's a waltz that one there take place. As I say, I apologize for the £10 ticket them were done. But you can't blame me a long time. I tell them to come get them. And them say, oh, God bless, no man curse. Them say, bad mind, people curse bad mind the most. So me not call nobody bad mind. The whole of no mind good. When you just don't like certain people or certain things. So you end up a doing nothing, alright? Big up on yourself. Bless. I'm out.